may hapon. So, gikan lang sa laag sa... Ay, training din eh.
Training.
Training sa golf. So, lahi nag...
Training!
Ay, training. Ay, sorry kaya. Sa among... very, very... Kanang kuan. Among new sport sa JKZ, it's the golf. Right, Tetch? Right. And we're having fun.
Hi!
We're having fun not because we love golf, but we're having fun because we just love and love.
Welcome to Philippines!
So, nagpasalamat kid niyo daghan kay Alin ang labi-dabi ni... Isa labi-dabi ni Alin?
Ako!
Healer. Kay she is one of the way ang nakaring dire. And next to say, next MCD for this session is lovely.
Wala ko masulti ba? Kasi nag-enjoy lang ko. Asya. Oh, diba? Oh.
Katong so, actually, ko ba na mo dire pa ani dire kay si Love ako, of course, amay ko no. Si Patet and si Hayes, Zell, with Lovely and her. Habol na ka. And, di kini pwede mahuman ang video kung wala ang dagway ni Miss Buya, straight from the Queen City of the South. Right, yeah?
Hi! Yeah, I'm so speechless today. But I would just like to... Yeah, I'm crazy. I just like to acknowledge the presence of our honorable Crimson Hardin.
Thank you!
Crimson Hardin, or the presence of our president? President who? Ask me who? Who? I only have one audience. Cat the video.
Okay, so manasag storya ni wala siya na wala na word ga kwan siyang bakba gawas. I'm gonna end this video and I would like to say something very special. So dala ang proof nga nagkami sa kawayanon. Asa ang kawayanon be? Kawayan. There's a church. So, kapangatang namin yung jeep karon.
Nag-cellphone naman ko. Hi!
Ini yung hawat kid because God is with us. And this has been Kim Sardine for Jake Uzel. See you 10 years from now.